So the very short and sweet answer to that is yes. So there are 5 main question types in IELTS Task 2 writing, and it is very important for teachers to give students experience of all 5 types of essay questions, okay, and for students to give themselves practice of those. And if there is a question type that a student is struggling with, then of course they should receive some extra practice on that question type. So this question of how teachers can help students who don't really feel that they have ideas to write about is very, very interesting. And this centers really around critical thinking and critical thinking skills, which we are going to be looking at in a separate masterclass workshop. However, a very short answer to that could be you need to experiment with different types of techniques for organizing ideas and for extracting ideas. Okay, so mind mapping, word showers, there are many, many possible techniques. And of course, just encouraging your students to take more interest in the world around them. This question number 3 of how important general English is in IELTS writing is absolutely key to a candidate's success in IELTS. General English is about 50% of the IELTS exam in the writing section and the speaking section. So how important is it? 50% important. Half as important as IELTS skills in general, in my opinion, is general English. So this is an extremely important component of your students' overall readiness to take the IELTS exam.